Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we are, January 2nd, 2021. I've been feeling under the weather for the last week or so. I've pretty much gotten it all straightened out. I decided to use the last little bit of energy that I have today to finish off the trans cooler and fill it up with some more fluid. I have about half a gallon there, and I have another full gallon sitting to the side. I've got the battery all connected, and she's getting get ready to start it up. Hadn't started it. It's probably been 2 weeks or more. Try to find a good place to set this thing. The phone is going to distort it. You probably aren't going to be able to hear it very well with it because it's going to be really loud, but try to keep you guys in it. See, that's just looking at the car. I'm gonna start the car up real quick. I gotta let it warm up a little bit so that way the fluid will actually move through it because it's kind of cold outside today. But hang on just a second. Up. It's going to idle back down here just a few minutes. It's running kind of funny because I don't have the rear oxygen sensors on. The rest of the exhaust still isn't on. But I will catch back here in just a few. Alright, as you hear, she's starting to idle back down. I've got a special funnel. I had to make it myself. The dipstick that it came with is very small, and this is the tip for it. There's a little electric tape. Shoved it through the end of one of my funnels. That way I know it's gonna work. I got the dipstick right here. Oh yeah, she's coming up to temp. I love this car. So I'm gonna pull the dipstick, shove my funnel in it. I'm gonna pour this other few quarts. I'm actually gonna set this up here. Maybe it'll warm it up just a little bit. This is very, very thick, very thick stuff. I'll be back in just a few. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see me do this, but I'm going to set you up, try to get started. Oh probably been about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, sitting here warming up. The truck, I'll walk over here to the inside. She is in neutral, if anybody can see that. She's sitting in neutral right now. I was able to check the fluid. Everything looks good. We're getting a lot closer to putting her on the ground and going out for some test rips. Let me cut this off. Yeah. Replace key battery very soon. Okay. As you see, I don't know if you guys can hear that. This is my transmission cooler running. It's a B&M trans cooler. You can hear that mug. It is just screaming. I have it hooked up to a switch right here in the where your sunglasses would go. Just have just a little toggle switch drilled in there. I also have a NOS switch. It's the whole, like a bottle, the opener. Oh, excuse me. It's the warmer, the opener, the purge. That's a whole switch that goes in there. I'll be putting in once I get all of the nitrous stuff hooked up. But I believe that's going to be it for this little video. I know I didn't do much, but I'll show you guys what I was doing. If there's any questions or any comments that you guys have, please leave them down below. Y'all like and subscribe if you haven't already, and y'all hustle harder.